Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the official Beelinguapp language learning app on your phone. Whether you are using iPhone or Android, this process will help you out. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your mobile device, and in the search bar type in Beelinguapp and search. Look for this application from Beelinguapp UG and tap on Get or the Install button. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password to initiate the download. Now wait for the application to install, which will take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once you are done, click on Open. Now, you have successfully installed the Beelinguapp language learning application on your smartphone. Now select the language that you speak and follow through the instructions to sign up for a new account. There you have it. That is how you easily install the popular Beelinguapp language learning app on your iOS or Android. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.